we doing today? It is Saturday. We are out here getting it. If you haven't seen our last video, make sure you go check that out because we show you how much money we made during our first 3 months of being monetized on YouTube. Very exciting. We're getting paid, so thank you everyone for watching these videos, subscribing, leaving comments, liking the video, share it, all that stuff. Really appreciate you, because without you, honestly, we couldn't be out here doing this, because this is just paying for everything. So nothing more exciting to be able to have a hobby or something that you enjoy and getting paid to do it. So that's awesome. All right, let me let you talk to Kim, the captain here, and she's going to give you a little update as far as where we're going today. I'm not sure. We'll see what's going on.
Yeah, we just came out of a little bit of a rainstorm here. I'll show you. It's over this way. Boop. I'm not sure if you could see downtown St. Pete, but it's dumping over there. We're good right here. A few little clouds in the sky. We got some blue skies too. Scattered clouds. And I think we're gonna be fine. We might head out. There's no waves. We're at what, 0.9?
Yeah, it's at 0.9.
Sorry. We're at 0.9 on the waves. I'm kind of wanting to go check out we call it our Friday spot. So it's in a little bit of a cut by Bunces Pass. It's a lovely little spot as long as there isn't too many people around. It's right by Fort DeSoto, so there can be families camping on the shore. That's not the spot, we'll head through Bunces Pass and we'll go to Fort DeSoto. So that's the play. We just finished Mimosa Hour. We're feeling good. We went through a rainstorm. I had to put on my mask because my lashes are kind of brand new and you can't get them wet for 24 hours. So anyway, peace.
Wherever you want, you're a captain. All right, Captain switched it up, so maybe we're not going to the Friday spot. She wants a little beach, maybe. We'll see what she wants. Am I feeling rain? Is that what I'm feeling? I feel like it drops. So, oh, they got a little, yeah, let's back over there. They got a little party going on over there. That's our Friday spot. So we're gonna try this little beach area up in here. This would work, this would work. So what are you thinking, Cap?
Our jam right here.
Is it? Is this it? All right. Should I start getting ready here? Yeah. Probably,
yeah, it's like 16 foot right here.
Yeah. Go ahead and put it up there. All right, just go ahead and head towards shore a little bit more then. Because it's dredged out pretty good here. Get wet, guys. Right, let's get this started.
Oh yeah.
Toss it, get one of those thingies. So, well, I'm not gonna. Let me. I don't know if I want to just toss it because it might be deep here and shit. How deep is it? 4. That's not too bad. All right, ready?
Don't jump with the anchor.
No, I'm just gonna toss it. All right, there we go. Oh, there you just like lose the anchor. It's like 20 feet deep.
Oh my God, babe.
Hopefully not. Where was
How deep is it? There's no viz. That's the problem.
Yeah, there's no viz. That's not viz.
That was funny.
That's what I'm thinking. When the boat started spinning, I'm like, all right, there goes that anchor. Go. Oh yeah, Scully, when you're, yeah.
I think the loop. See that loop? Beep. I got one extra. You only need 2, but yeah. Dolphins. What is it? The manatee? Is he in trouble?
I don't know. I can see like a fin. I think it's a manatee. Let's go look. Let's see. There's like 4 or 5 of them here. They're chilling.
I don't usually see their flippers come out of the water like that. Oh, what are you doing, baby? Cows, they're so cute. Give him a little breath.
Yeah, that was cool. That was really cool. Yeah, because I saw all that activity. I never seen manatees be like that active. And then I saw it looked like a round flipper.
Look at them. They're acting like dolphins right now.
That is cool.
Super cool.
That is cool. We've never seen, I mean, we've seen manatees, we've seen dolphins, but that was a whole herd?
Pod?
I know dolphins are pods. I'm not sure what you'd call a group of manatee like that, but that was really exciting. That was cool. So, all right, so we've got our anchors in. Got 2 anchors just in case it gets kind of busy here. The sun feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's a good spot.
This is a good spot. So we are over here. This is all considered Fort Soto. We're across from Shell Key, but we're just kind of away from everybody. This way, you know, what's great about doing this too, especially if you're new to boating and anchoring, go to an area where there's nobody at. You know, that way you don't have to worry about, you know, bumping into some, you know, $300,000 boat. You know, so I mean, we
$1 million boats out here. I mean, you know.
But for us, you know, we could shimmy our way in there. That's not a big deal. But it's just being away from that, just so we can enjoy our own music and all that. I can feel that current.
Can you?
Yeah. Like right now, I'm just like, it's like just look at it's. I'm not even. It's pulling me. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. So that current's pulling. Well, it makes sense. The tide's going out. So
2 anchors was a good idea.
yeah, I think so. 2 anchors. It's just in case somebody shows up. So we were just chilling on the boat. We're going to be going to explore Fort Soto here through Bunces Pass. The current has been ripping today. We've seen a bunch of people struggling trying to anchor, but I want you guys to go check out Kiwi Adventures. They're a YouTuber out of South Florida. He's getting ready to do 2 different raffles. One once they hit 500 subscribers. They're going to do another one once they hit 1,000 subscribers. But they're going to do a raffle for you to go on the boat with them for the day. You're going to be getting food and drinks. They're going to be taking care of it. They said they're going to be doing mimosas. So I want you check out their channel because I watched some of their videos. They look like they're having a good time down there in South Florida. They're definitely, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Where is it? Is it over here? Over here? It's going to be somewhere. We're going to put a link in the description. Go check out their channel. Subscribe to their channel because once they get to 500, they're going to be giving out that raffle. Check them out. Like, subscribe to their channel, and then they're going to do another one once they get to 1,000. So right now, cool. That's exciting.
Out here. He's probably in this little tiny.
I It depends because, you know, usually, you know, fishing during the tides.
Oh, and he's got, look, he's got a camera on his, see that?
Oh yeah, that's an Instacam. All right, maybe he's a YouTuber, but typically fishing the tides is ideal, the incoming and the outgoing tides.
Okay.
Because of the bait fish.
Oh, look at this. What's happening right here? Somebody found all these shells? That's cool.
Cool, bunch of shells there.
This is Bunces Pass.
I hope you guys liked this video. It's been a great day here on the water. I think we'll see you. What are you doing over there? You know, I just can't take her seriously. You know, they're bubbles, whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been fun making it. So we're gonna see y'all in the next one.